Glorious Jaffna is a pictorial that depicts a landscape of rebellion and ruin rising from the ashes. It is a tribute to a resilient people. The book has been commissioned and published by Asia Capital plc, the country's largest investment bank and the flagship of a diversified financial conglomerate. Here is a corporate chieftain who believes in tightening the nuts and bolts of integration, healing the wounds, and actually giving his northern brethren hope for a glorious new chapter. The chairman of Asia Capital plc expounds his organization's humanitarian initiative at the book launch Glorious Jaffna, Mr. Manohan Nanayakkara.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. I'm pleased to see all of you here. I must say we kept the invitations deliberately vague with a catchy title, Put a Little Jaffna into Your Life. On the face of it, it doesn't reveal much. I guess what I'm going to talk about is what do we mean when we say put a little Jaffna into our life. Today also is the launch of our CSR initiative for 2011. We propose to raise awareness to assist in educating 10,000 children of Jaffna and get great involvement by the people in the South in those kids' lives. I would particularly like to welcome His Eminence Bishop Dulip Dichikera, Bishop of Colombo, Mrs. Kadiragama, Mrs. Swan Amratunga, the mother of my school chum, Chana Kamratunga, Mrs. Tiruchelvam and Mr. Nilantha Fernando, son of my old headmaster, J.S.L. Fernando. The purpose of the event is to launch our book, Glorious Jaffna, and to create awareness of the role each one of us can play to ensure that communal violence that beleaguered and disrupted most of our adult lives is never repeated again. The book Glorious Jaffna was an accident. I discovered that Mr. Tanindo Amudgama, who joined me using camouflage of being a mathematician, was actually a poet. He had a passion for photography. Ladies and gentlemen, he happened to show me some of his work as a photographer, and I was captivated by the images and the rich colors of his photos. I asked him what kind of camera he used, and it turned out to be one of the little portable, tiny cameras. And I offered him one of my old cameras that were not in use and was gathering dust on the shelf. Tanindo took photos of Jaffna on his next trip there, and I found that one particular shot of Palmyra trees, I think it's somewhere here, Palmyra trees around in Elephant Pass totally captivated me. And I asked him whether it was good enough for publication purposes. He said perhaps not. I found that the camera I have gifted him was not of appropriate quality to produce a coffee table book, and I volunteered to buy him a new one of appropriate quality on the condition that he took photographs of Jaffna and produced a book on Jaffna. I was happy. It was a happy accident for both of us. The book is being priced at rupees 4,900 retail, and only for today it's being offered at a discounted price of rupees 4,000. And for those of you who wish to purchase it on your credit card, a special credit card machine has been installed for your convenience. So you see, we have thought of everything. The proceeds from the sale of the book is to be used to assist two established charities who are already working in Jaffna. One is the Humpty Dumpty Foundation, which provides milks to young school children. The milk is purchased locally from the community. It not only encourages children to come to school, but also improves their concentration to learn. All of the funds then go back to the community for a second round of positive impact. The other charity, Caritas, is closer to my heart because funds are used for the education of little children. The cost of supporting a child's education is $270 per annum. Asia Capital has set a CSR goal for the next year to raise awareness, to set in motion a series of activities to obtain contributions from the people who are near and dear to us to finance 10,000 school children in Jaffna. Asia Capital is, in one sense, a very unusual company. My majority shareholder, Dato Vijay Iswaran, is a third-generation Tamil expatriate Malaysian national. His grandfather originated from Jaffna. We are very unusual in the sense that we are a Tamil-owned company where the senior management consists of all ethnic races. Myself, as chairman and managing director, I am a Sinhalese. Mr. Sabri Marika, who heads a securities company, is a Sri Lankan Moor. Mr. Rajiva Vijay Gunawardana, who heads a finance company, is a Sinhalese. Mr. Ramal Jasingha, who heads an insurance company, is also Sinhalese. And Mr. Stefan Abesingha, who heads Asia Wealth, is of mixed parentage. I am not committing a specific amount from the company today.